Good morning, children. Chapter number 5, The Water Around Us. This chapter is going on, students. So let's discuss. Yesterday we discussed what? About water cycle. Yesterday we discussed forms of water and about water cycle. Hope you have read that chapter. Okay, now today we will discuss about sources of water. What are the sources of water? Now let's start. Students, sources of water. Sources of water. First source of water is rain. First source of water is rain. Student, rain is our main source of water. Yesterday also I told you that water, sunlight came to the water, and what did sunlight came to the water, and that heat water drops evaporate and mixing in the air and make thick clouds, and that clouds when filled with water, then in the form of rain it comes to the earth. So rain is the source of water. Rainwater falls in river. When rain comes, rainwater falls in the rivers, lakes and ponds. Water is collected in big tanks. Where it is collected? It is collected in big tanks, and it is then cleaned and supplied to our homes. What we did? What are the sources? That rain is a main source of water. When these rains come to the earth, and that water, where that water comes, it comes into the river, lakes and ponds. We take water from rivers, lakes and ponds in a big tank, and we cleaned it and supply to our homes. फिर हमारे घरों में ये सप्लाई होता है. क्लियर? Now second source of water is, students, snow. Second source of water is snow. How it is? So when the snow on the snow covered mountains, on the hilly area, mountains always covered with snow. So when the snow on the snow covered mountains melts in summer, everybody knows it melts in summer because temperature is very high here in summer. So that's why that snow melted, and the water flows down the mountains into the rivers and lakes. अब क्या होता है? जब वो स्नो जो होती है माउंटेन्स के ऊपर, जब वो मेल्ट होती है, तो मेल्ट होने के बाद वो वाटर ही बनेगी ना. देन दैट वाटर फ्लोज डाउन द माउंटेन, नीचे आता है माउंटेन से, और किस में चला जाता है? देन इट पुट इनटू द रिवर्स एंड लेक्स. रिवर्स और लेक्स में जाता है. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, फ्रॉम रिवर्स एंड लेक्स वी टेक द वाटर इन अ बिग टैंक एंड वी क्लीन्ड एंड प्यूरिफाई एंड सप्लाई टू द homes. Clear? Now third source of water is underground water. Third source of water is, students, underground water. Some rainwater also goes underground and is taken out from well, tube and hand pumps. When rain comes, then some water come into the river, ponds, है ना, बट सम रेन वाटर गोज इन अंडरग्राउंड. अंडरग्राउंड मीन्स मतलब नीचे चला जाता है, जमीन के नीचे, अंडरग्राउंड, एंड इज टेकन आउट फ्रॉम वेल. वेल पता है ना, वेल. तो ये हम किससे निकालते हैं? जो अंडरग्राउंड हो जाता है, नीचे ज़मीन में चला जाता है. दैट वाटर हाउ वी ब्रिंग आउट. सो these water brings out from the well and tube well and hand pumps, and we supply on their homes. So these was they are the sources of water. First I told you that rain, second is snow, and third is underground water. Understood? Now three sources of water. Okay. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट मेकिंग वाटर फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग। अब हमारे पास वाटर तो आ जाता है, जो मैंने आपको बताया कहाँ कहाँ से आ जाता है। नाउ हाउ वी कैन मेक आवर वाटर फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, है ना। तो अच्छा कैसे है हमारी हेल्थ के लिए। हाउ एवर ऑल द वाटर दैट इज़ अवेलेबल इज़ नॉट फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग। जो हम रिवर में से, पॉन्ड से और हैंड पम्प से ये जो वाटर लेते हैं वो हमारे लिए हेल्दी नहीं होता। इट इज़ नॉट फिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग। देन हाउ वी कैन मेक इट फिट। वी कैन मेक इट फिट बाय द फॉलोइंग मैथड्स। कैसे फिट कर सकते हैं। नाउ लुक एट हियर। First is, in the first picture you can see here, boiling water kills germs and makes it fit for drinking. Sometimes we boil the water. अब तो हमारे घर एक्वागार्ड्स आ गए, but first when एक्वागार्ड्स was not there, then we always boil the water and drink it. Boil the water, then make it cool and then drink. So first way to make our water clean is boiling water, because after boiling the water, then germs killed and make it that water fit and healthy for drinking. And second is using water filter, as you are looking here in the center. So using water filter, we can use water filters also for making our water clean and fit, because if we will drink dirty water, if we will not drink clean water, then it will spoil our body, it will harm us, we can make sick, we can make ill. So it can make ill. So students, first way to clean our water is boiling water. Second way to clean our water is using water filter. And third way to make our water clean is using AquaGuard or RO purifier. You can see in third picture, most of the people are having this AquaGuard or RO purifier at their homes nowadays, as everybody knows. So water cleaning problem is there, so that everyone is having this AquaGuard or RO purifier. And those who are not having, then they can boil the water or they can use water filter also. So these are the three steps. By using these we can make our water clean and fit. Now let's start next. Even purified water can get dirty. कई बार क्या होता है, जो हम ये प्योरीफाई करते हैं वाटर, वो भी डर्टी हो जाता है। इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट स्टोर्ड इन अ क्लीन बॉटल, अगर वो हमने स्टोर किया है और वो किसी साफ बॉटल में या क्लीन यूटेंसिल में नहीं रखा गया है और केप्ट कवर्ड नहीं है, देन इट कैन get dirty. Generally, there are overhead tanks or underground tanks for storing water. They should also be cleaned from time to time. Everybody knows these some underground tanks for storing water is also there. So time to time we should clean it. If we will clean it, then germs will not go inside. है ना. So we will take that clean water for drinking. Next student, next step is rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? Now you will come to know. So to meet the storage of water, rainwater harvesting is a good idea. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting means to store the water. Everybody knows we should not waste water. So how we can store rain water? जो रेन से आता है, हम अपने घरों में कैसे स्टोर कर सकते हैं? तो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग इज़ अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग इज़ गैदरिंग एंड स्टोरिंग ऑफ रेन वाटर इन अंडरग्राउंड टैंक्स, पिट्स और वेल्स. तो जो रेन वाटर का जो रेन वाटर जो होता है वो हम कहाँ कहाँ पे सेव कर सकते हैं? टैंक्स में कर सकते हैं, पिट्स में कर सकते हैं और वेल्स में हो सकता है. इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग, गार्डनिंग एंड फॉर लाइव स्टॉक एक्सेट्रा. सो जो रेन वाटर वाटर होता है, रेन वाटर, वो हम क्लीनिंग में भी वॉश कर सकते हैं, पीने में नहीं कर सकते हैं, एवरीबडी नोज। सो क्लीनिंग में कर सकते हैं, वॉशिंग में कर सकते हैं, गार्डनिंग में कर सकते हैं, है ना। तो लाइफ स्टॉक इज एक्सेट्रा। सो रिमेंबर वाटर इज़ प्रीशियस। सबको पता है प्रीशियस मीन्स बहुत ज़रूरी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। विदाउट वाटर वी कैन नॉट लिव। इन द स्टार्टिंग आई टोल्ड यू इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर। सो विदाउट वाटर वी कैन नॉट live. So water is very much precious for everyone, not for one or two. So it is precious for everyone, and we should not waste water. We should not waste water. At many places people have to go a long distance to bring water. Nowadays you are not facing too much problem in water, but earlier it was too much problem, and people bring water from the so many long distance places. So it was very much difficult on that time. At many places people have to go long distance to bring the water लाने के लिए बहुत दूर तक जाना पड़ता था। और अभी भी कहीं लोग इन विलेजेस ऑल्सो सम पीपल आर देयर, सो दे गो वेरी फार प्लेसेस टू ब्रिंग द water. So students, we should not waste water, we should save water. And at home also, when you are living, you can keep one bucket or any tub or anything which you want to keep on your terrace, on your roof. When water comes from the rain, then you can keep it safe in that bucket, and you can use it for your gardening, you can use it to give in the plants. So student, we should not waste even a single drop of water. Water is very much precious, so everybody should save water. So now this chapter, water around us, we have completed today, and hope you have understood this chapter. So student, I will send the PDF also for question answer. You will see from there and write in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.